Okay, so today we arrived here for a service call for this KitchenAid fridge that was making some kind of clunking noises all day long. And so the first thing, we measured temperature was fine in the fridge and in the freezer. But then when I looked into the freezer, I noticed that this piece there was right next to the ice maker. And if you know how this ice maker is supposed to look, it does have this wash arm, and if you put this arm down, that means that the ice maker is on, and if you put it up, it means it's off. And so the wash arm was on the on position, and that piece that I just showed you was blocking it from moving, because when the motor is moving, this arm goes up and then eventually goes down. And because it got stuck, it was making those noises. And so we just put the ice maker off because it's not really being used, and we took the wash arm off so it stays off and it doesn't stop them from putting stuff inside. So that was the solution.